Good morning, this is Yash Gupta and you are watching United News. Main headlines of today's news are:
Modi holds conversation with Abu Dhabi Crown Prince. The talk involves strengthening strategic ties, discussing bilateral relations and future cooperation. Environment Minister of Delhi, Gopal Rai, said there is a risk of increased air pollution in Delhi during the winter season. Burning firecrackers during this time further alleviates pollution. US partners with India Semiconductor Mission to expand global ecosystem. The partnership aims to create a more resilient, secure and sustainable semiconductor value chain worldwide. Red alert for Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Monsoon rains continue to bring wet spells to India, placing a number of states on yellow and red alert. India reports first Mpox case. Patient arrived from affected country. Health Ministry says no widespread risk. Famous journalism scholar, popularly known for his agenda-setting theory, Maxwell Albert McCombs, has passed away at the age of 85.
Now, news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Crown of Prince of Abu Dhabi, Sheikh Khalid bin Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, have signed multiple pacts in the field of nuclear energy, oil and food parks development. The two leaders signed an agreement in the field of Barkha nuclear power plant operations and maintenance between Emirates Nuclear Energy Company and Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. Another agreement was signed for long-term LNG supply between Abu Dhabi National Oil Company and Indian Oil Corporation Limited. An MOU was signed between ADNOC and India Strategic Petroleum Reserve Limited. A product concession agreement for Abu Dhabi Onshore Block 1 was signed between Urja Bharat and ADNOC was signed between Government of Gujarat and Abu Dhabi Developmental Holding Company on Food Parks Development in India. After the meeting, the Crown Prince paid tribute to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat. Since the landmark visit by PM Modi to UAE in August 2015, the first by an Indian Prime Minister in 34 years, bilateral relations between the two countries have elevated a comprehensive strategic partnership. India is the UAE's second largest trading partner, while the UAE is India's largest trading partner in the Arab world. Total trade between India and the UAE is projected to reach 100 billion US dollars by the end of decade. The bilateral trade between the two countries in 2022-2023 was about 85 billion US dollars according to the official data. So let's take a leap from you, and for all the future news, stay with us. Keep watching United News.